I have extra, like super extra makeup on today because I was making TikToks and Instagram reels. So this is the face you get, and you're welcome. Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel, Hello Sparkles. Today we're in my new filming corner. I hope you like all my art that you can't see because of the sunlight from the window, because I gotta figure out how to film properly in here. I have yet to figure that out, but this is the best I have done so far because this is my first recording. So I'm gonna show some clips of me talking to the camera about doing a vlog about cleaning my room and how I talked about cleaning my room but then never show you actual processes of me cleaning my room, just me talking. But you'll get to see the before and then I'll show you the after of what this all looks like. You just don't get to see the steps in between, and I'm sorry. It's a really weird video, but hey, it's a video. And that means I didn't skip this week, so you know, you're welcome. I'm enjoying this corner. I gotta figure out how to film in it properly so everything looks really, really good. I also can't tell how good this looks because I don't have it connected to my TV, but the colors are off on my TV anyway, so what I see on here is way different than what I see on my TV. You're getting all this information you don't even need. Let me just go straight to the clips. You guys get to see me work on this week, and I gotta fix, look at this mess. Look at this huge mess. This is getting ridiculous and out of hand. So I'm gonna take everything out of here and put it all back in here. Yeah, so they're like, why are you doing that? Well, I want to rearrange it. I want to take that down. Ooh, that finger. I want to take that down, the pegboard. I'm taking this out of here. I'm going to replace it with those shelves. That's why I got those shelves. I kind of wish I would have went back and got more. They had some other ones, but they were a different price. They were $33 versus $5. I don't know why it was labeled like that, but it was, and I was like, I'm not gonna risk them being like, no, you gonna have to pay $33 for these and $5 for that. That's stupid, even though they're the exact same thing. I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna take and do that. I need to clean up all my resin. I need to organize everything so I can get in here and actually work. I'm tired of not being able to work in here. It's cold right now, so I really can't do a whole lot of resin right now as it is. I've been working on these vampire teeth. Can't put them in your mouth because it's resin. And I need to make some more of these. I want to work on stuff for the shop, but that's what my plans are this week, is to clean in here. And I thought maybe because I'm going to be working on that, I still need to put out a video. Let's do a vlog style. And I know I was just doing like this. Sorry, because this camera is heavy. I have kind of a headache today. It's fun, so I'm trying to get through that, but it's not super bad. It's just like a little light headache, and I just took some migraine medicine, so I'm hoping I curve the migraine before it starts. So I'm gonna get in here and do that a little bit at a time. I can't do a whole lot at a time because like I said, my head. But I'm gonna do that, and you guys are gonna watch, hopefully, maybe, possibly, I don't know. So weeks ago I started recording I'm gonna do a vlog and you guys are gonna watch me clean my room. Well, turns out I was sick that day and I just didn't know it. I ended up not doing anything for weeks, so now I've actually cleaned out. Well, yesterday I cleaned everything out of my room, well, almost everything, and I just started putting things back in last night. So I just wanted to turn this around and show you what I've done so far and kind of pick up from there. So this is what I got so far. I've cleaned out most of that, but I've got to redo that shelf. I'm leaving that there. I'm going to leave my desk there, but then I've set up a filming corner and I got these shelves here, including my breakfast mess. Yeah, I just been kind of piling other things on top of the desk and stuff. And then look at the puppies and my torn up door because of the puppies. But I got a lot done, but I just need to put things back in and organize it. We had to fix my desk from where the puppies, you can't see that one over there because the trash can, from where the puppies ate it. I need to dust again. I just dusted last night, but our house is like super dusty because of the puppies. There's one over there, but you can't really see her. So I got a lot done. I'm still trying to figure out what to do here. I'm not sure what I need to do or want to do. I'm loving my filming corner, but it's definitely going to change. That's not staying there. I just hung them up last night because I got tired. And then that window's definitely not staying open. Obviously, I'm charging. I have a solar charger, and then I've got a solar light that I'm actually hanging up there. The solar charger is just because it's, you know, I need to charge it. I wanted to do a thing that says like create up there or something, but I see that in like every crafter person's background, so I kind of don't want to do it. I don't know what I want to do. This is not staying like this. I just stuck it up there. I want to keep those there just because I do use those a lot and I don't have really anywhere else to put them, and I like them hanging there. That's staying, those are staying, all that's getting cleaned off and moved. So I don't know. And then I've got to figure out what I'm going to do here. I think I'm going to do a packing on this side because that shelf down there is broken. I'm going to do packing stuff here and then craft things on this side, and then of course craft there. But I'm thinking about putting all my resin stuff on this shelf, which is not a lot, but I'll be able to get to it easier, I think. So it's a lot better in here. I have this other table I was going to put in here that was originally for that, but it's way too big, and this fits in here perfectly, and I can just, when I want to use that, I can push this table. That's what I like about this table, is I could just push this around the room. Yeah, so I'll check back in with you guys. So now I'm going to take you guys and show you around my craft room and show you everything I've got going on, show you all of what I've done so far. And some things are not quite in its place yet, like it's not 100% where it's supposed to go yet, but it's getting there. So I'm going to show you around. Okay, we will start here looking at this shelf. This used to be a basket shelf. I took it out. I think I did show it in the clip before. I hope I did. So this is all my shipping supplies here, and then a box I just stuck underneath there. That's not shipping, but these are all shipping, paper, everything like that. This is kind of random little knick-knack crafty things, but I just didn't have any place to put them, so they ended up in there. This is not buckets, but Halloween bowls full of t-shirts. Cups I got on clearance, like art wood, art projects I have going on, and then all my fill and fluff is in there, and a broom, you're welcome. And then what makes the most sense in here is a box of rocks by my door that I just can't seem to get rid of. And then these are like stickers and lights in there, and then my printer. Those are 2 vases or vases, or whatever you want to call them, full of flowers. And then the things I made, this I made with that one, my 300 video, my 300 subscriber video. My husband's is on the back side because I knocked it down and I ruined it. And I got this for my Christmas gift one year, and then this is just something I haven't figured out what to do with. Then I got this as a random gift from my friend Laurie, and it's so cool because we were the Sanderson sisters one year, and she was actually Mary. But I love it because it reminds me of her, and then I have Scooby-Doo, because why not? Ollivander's wands, and yes, there are wands in there, I just haven't taken them out to display yet. TV, my glue and sewing stuff. This is mostly sewing on that second shelf, except for behind there is a, what is it called? Like a laminator kind of thing. I haven't used it in years. I need to get more sheets for it, that's why. Hot glue gun, and then things I can use for water for when I paint. There's my YouTube corner right there. And that's why I haven't figured out how to film it yet, because I thought it would be really good because there'd be light from the window there, but it seems like I have to figure out a way of doing it. I might need to go like this here and record like that so I get better lighting overall. It's probably what I'm gonna do. But yes, my breakfast is still sitting here. This is all sewing right here. Materials and everything I need. Other random sewing bits underneath there. It's more random sewing. And then this is all frames and random craft pieces and things and ribbon and stuff on these shelves. And then dog treats because my back door is right there. And then these are just arts and stuff. My mom made that. My cat, our first dog, and then a signed photo of Robin Williams and Ben Stiller because everybody needs that in their life. My t-shirt press a random lamp. This is pretty much stuff I haven't figured out what to do with yet. This is my resin stuff right here, and resin and t-shirt stuff. This is all scrap vinyl, and then that stuff, those are parts for that, for my t-shirt press, the heat press, that's what it's called. It's like other heat press things for like cups and hats and stuff, but I didn't want them sitting out on the floor. I wanted them kind of covered, so I put them in this bag. They're still actually in the plastic in there because I haven't used them yet. And then pens and pencils and stuff, baskets of tools, resin pieces, glitter, resin I'm going to test, vinyl, pins, and some sewing things. And that's, no, those are stuff I have finished for my shop. Nails and my UV lamp for my, what do you call it? UV resin. And a bucket full of paint and pool noodles, because why not? I was doing something with them and clearly I decided that I needed to stop. And then those are all beads in that. And then this is just random stuff. So, and then my new background for my crafting videos. How cool is that? I feel like it's like a little bleached out. So these are all my backgrounds. This has stayed. This is, you know, has been in my background for a while. This I added and love. It's just my little van I made. That came off of one of my wreaths I made. These hands are just kind of resting. They're not holding up the shelf. I just made it look like it's holding up the shelf. And then these are bows and stuff I put in my hair. I just thought, it's cute. Scooby-Doo is made by my dad. Along with that, he made me that as well for Christmas. And I thought they were so cute, so I needed to display them. And then my cauldron full of flowers. I have a lot of flowers. And then this little table here. And you'll never guess how much I paid for this table. $1. I got $1 for that, or that for $1. Like, I just can't even believe it. And I actually got this chair for $100. And it's regularly, this is regularly like $2 something, I want to say. And this is regularly $400, this chair. And then that blanket I got for like $10. I paid more for the blanket than I ever wanted to, but I loved the blanket and I was just like, whatever, I'll take it. And then my broom I made, but the deals on these were excellent and I'm so excited and it's so cool. So yeah. And then of course my table that's in the middle of everything. Oh, and our curtain. Now I can block everybody out while I film if I can get it to focus. So now nobody can see me while I film. Oh, look at that. So I really hope that you liked my new setup. I know I kind of maybe went through it a little fast and didn't go over everything, but I wanted to show it because I've never really done a full walkthrough of my craft room, but I wanted to show what I've done because I'm actually quite proud of this. Even though it's still kind of slightly messy, it's so much better and I can actually see everything I have except for one cabinet. There's stuff in it I need to go through and get rid of stuff or whatever, but most of it's in there is like paints and other little random crafts. So I need to go through, pull it out, figure out what's in there, and go from there. But I hope you like all of this. I do. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already because we're nuts here. And I hope you enjoy my weird hair and my weird face and everything in this video. Like the video if you did because it makes me oh so happy. And subscribe because we're nuts and fun. And I think I'm repeating myself, but whatever. Bye!